Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best soldering station review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. JCD8898 Soldering Station. The JCD8898 is 2-in-1 soldering station with a digital LCD display, combining a soldering iron and a hot air gun into one compact unit, perfect for SMD, IC, and general electronics repair. The design is compact with dual LCD digital displays, one for the soldering iron and one for the hot air gun. The station feels sturdy and is surprisingly lightweight for a 2-in-1 model. The iron and hot air gun heat up really fast. Within seconds it reaches 350 degrees Celsius on the soldering iron and 400 degrees Celsius on the hot air gun. The temperature remains very stable. The hot air gun delivers a strong, steady airflow up to 150 liters per minute, making it perfect for BGA or SMD work. I tried desoldering a few SMD components and reflowing some joints and it handled it smoothly. The hot air gun didn't fluctuate in temperature and the soldering iron tip stayed consistently hot, no noticeable drop even on larger pads. The controls are simple, temperature knobs are responsive, and the displays are clear. The hot air gun automatically cools down after you place it back in the holder, which helps protect the heating element and makes it safer to use. The soldering iron is lightweight with an ESD-safe handle, making it comfortable for long sessions. This station is ideal for hobbyists, repair technicians, or small workshop setups. If you work with SMD components, phone repair, or PCB soldering, this gives you both a soldering iron and a hot air rework gun in one affordable package. The JCD offers excellent value for the price. It's fast, precise, easy to use, and comes with smart safety features like auto cooling. If you're looking for a reliable mid-range 2-in-1 soldering and rework station. Number 4. A9E Soldering Station. The handle is equipped with a dormant metal ring, so when you place it in the stand, the station automatically enters sleep mode. This reduces tip oxidation, saves energy, and extends the lifespan of the soldering tips. It instantly wakes up to the set temperature, no waiting around. I tested this station on a few different boards, small SMD pads, larger connectors, and some micro soldering work. The temperature is rock solid. There's no overshoot, no drop. The iron delivers smooth, consistent heat, which makes soldering much easier and cleaner, whether it's fine pitch work or larger joints. One of the best things about the A9E is that it's compatible with T115, T210, and T245 handles, as well as original JBC tips. That means you can use it for ultra-precise jobs or heavier soldering. Just swap the handle and tip. The control interface is simple and clear. The digital display is bright and easy to read. Temperature control is accurate and the station reacts instantly to adjustments. The A9E is a solid, reliable soldering station with premium features like intelligent sleep, fast heating, and compatibility with T115, T210, and T245 handles. If you're looking for a pro-style soldering experience at a more accessible price, this is definitely worth considering. Number 3. Silverflow 8586D Soldering Station. The soldering station unit, a hot air gun, a soldering iron, stands for both nozzles and the power cable. The build feels solid, and I love that it has two digital displays, one dedicated to the soldering iron and the other to the hot air gun. It's clean, compact, and doesn't take up much bench space. It also comes with a 10-minute auto sleep mode. When the station detects no movement for 10 minutes, the soldering iron automatically goes into sleep mode. This reduces tip oxidation, saves power, and extends the overall lifespan of your equipment. The soldering iron heats up really quickly, reaching working temperature in just seconds. The PID temperature control keeps things stable, which is super important when working on sensitive SMD components. The hot air gun delivers smooth and steady airflow thanks to its brushless blower. It's strong enough to do older components cleanly without blowing them all over the board. I tested it on a few boards soldering fine SMD pads and removing components using the hot air gun. Both tools performed really well, the temperature stayed stable, and the airflow was easy to control. It's definitely suitable for SMD rework, heat shrinking, and general electronics repair. This station is great for beginners, hobbyists, or professionals who need both a soldering iron and a hot air gun in one device. It's perfect for electronics repair, SMD rework, and even small production work. Number 2. Soldering A9 Soldering Station. The Soldering A9 main unit, a soldering handle, 3 different tips I, IS, and K plus the stand and power cord. The build quality feels premium, it's compact but solid, with a clean digital display on the front. I really like the overall sleek design. The handle has a dormant metal ring, so when you place it back into the stand, it automatically goes into sleep mode. This saves power and extends tip life, and because it's chip controlled, it heats up incredibly fast and keeps the temperature very stable, much more precise than old-school soldering stations. The display lights up instantly, and look at that, the tip heats up to working temperature in just a few seconds. That's the advantage of fast response temperature control. The Soldering A9 works with T115, T210 and T245 handles and is also compatible with original JBC tips. That gives you flexibility for different soldering jobs. From microsoldering to heavy-duty work, swapping tips is super easy, and they heat up fast thanks to direct contact heating technology. I tried soldering some fine SMD pads using the T115 handle, and the temperature control was spot on, no overshoot, no lag with the T245 handle and K-tip. I was able to handle larger joints easily. The 120-watt power gives it enough punch for most electronics work. This station is perfect for electronics hobbyists, repair technicians, or anyone doing microsoldering work. If you want something fast, precise, and compatible with JBC tips without the JBC price tag, this might be it. The Soldering delivers pro-level performance in a compact and affordable package. It heats fast, sleeps smart, and works with multiple handles. Definitely a solid choice for serious soldering work. Number 1. JCD8586D Soldering Station. The body is made of alloy metal with a silicone shell, which feels durable and solid. The design is compact and saves space on your workbench. It also has a nice digital LCD display on the front. This is a 2-in-1 rework station, meaning you can use both the hot air gun and the soldering iron at the same time, and they don't interfere with each other. One cool thing is the sensor in the handle. When you pick up the hot air gun, it automatically switches to operating mode. When you put it down, it goes into standby mode. That's super convenient and also saves energy. I powered it on and it heats up really fast. The hot air gun reaches working temperature in just a few seconds. The airflow is smooth and adjustable, perfect for SMD soldering, desoldering, heat shrinking, and even glue soldering. The soldering iron itself is comfortable to hold. With a good grip, the temperature stays stable, which is great for precision. Work. The hot air gun back in its holder, the system automatically cools down and shuts off once it hits 70 degrees Celsius. This not only protects the machine but also keeps your workspace safe. The JCD8586D offers a lot. It's powerful, compact, heats up fast, and the automatic standby feature is a big. If you're into electronics repair, this could be a great addition to your workbench.